Today we're up at the Vartry Reservoir in Roundwood in County Wicklow. This reservoir was built, well, the upper reservoir, I think around 1920. The original reservoir was the late 1800s and it was built to supply water to Dublin City and County. This in turn feeds a reservoir in Sandyford in Dublin. The reflections up here were just amazing today, so I'm going to take some photographs as well and I'll show you them. You'll have to forgive the shaky video. I forgot the filters from my pocket too, so just using the camera handheld. The Roundwood men's shed have built these beautiful posts with these beautifully carved names of all the trees on this little walk. Yeah, we're up in Roundwood today. Just came up to see the water levels are like, because it was really low here before the rain. We've had quite a lot of rain in the last week, so it seems to have improved a lot. So this was just a little stream 2 weeks ago. Now there's a lot of water back in it. There's a good bit of wildlife around today as well. There was grey heron fishing quite happily in the middle of the shallow waters. Little egret was there as well at the edge. There was some mallards flying around. There's a good few little grebes fishing in another part of the reservoir. I have some photographs of them, so I'll put them up. I think I got a few shots of the herons as well, so I will pop them up as well. One thing I didn't see were the great crested grebes, which are always around up here. So hopefully they're still doing alright. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button below and subscribe for more, and hit the notification bell if you want to get notifications of all my videos as they're released, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.